I recently was given a list of names with their emails, and I was told to eliminate entirely anyone's name who showed up more than once. And at first I thought, oh, this is simple, just remove duplicates. But whenever we remove duplicates on the data tab, it still leaves one instance of that person's name. So for instance, in this mock-up, I have Tim Smith here and Tim Smith there. And we can tell they're the same person because it's the same location, state, and the same email. And I'm actually going to check or select the email column and click Remove Duplicates and expand the selection. And we'll see that Tim Smith only shows up once now, but that wasn't what we were requested. The person asked that, in this case, that we actually remove Tim Smith entirely from the list. And so I had to think about it for a second, and what I came up with is to create another column where I just make it remove, or I'm sorry, called remove, and then I can do a count if, and the email is the only thing that I feel comfortable with checking for similarities, because for instance there might be more than one Tim, but it might not be the same person. But emails, I'm pretty confident that there can't be two Tim Smiths with the identical email. So I'm going to count the instances of each person's email, and then what I like to do, you can leave it as a formula, but just so I can ensure that when I filter it's not going to change anything, I will convert it to values. So I just copy and paste his values, and then I filter this top row and select everything but 1. So we grab 2 and 4, and at this point these are anyone that showed up more than once. There's some cases where people showed up 4 times in fact, and I just go here and click delete row. And now when I remove filters, I see there's no one except people that are only listed once, and now I've effectively eliminated anyone entirely that shows up more than once. And now that we're done with that, I can just delete that column and remove this filter, and I've achieved my goal. So I hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching, and please think about subscribing.